Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your microphone and permissions are active. Without that, nothing works. Once done, pick which assistant you'll use and set it as default so results stay consistent. Now test the wake phrase or the microphone button. Practice a clear prompt like, "Hey Google, find," so the assistant recognizes you. Speak natural phrases rather than single keywords. This improves context. If energy-saving modes are on, disable them briefly so the assistant listens reliably. Now focus on crafting the actual query. Use conversational sentences that contain the who, what, where, or when. This guides the assistant. For example, say, "Find Italian restaurants open now near me," instead of just "Italian restaurants." Include filters like time, price, or ratings to narrow results. If you don't get the right answer, pause and rephrase with different keywords or add context. The assistant learns from your phrasing. Keep your voice steady and avoid background noise to boost accuracy. Finish by interacting with the results. Tap cards, ask follow-up questions, or request sources to get more precise information. For instance, say "Show reviews or directions" to the second result. If accuracy drops, try simple troubleshooting. Restart the assistant app, check microphone permissions, and ensure network connectivity. If it still fails, rephrase slowly and clearly or test with a known command like "What time is it?" to isolate whether the issue is input, connection, or assistant misrecognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.